Hello, my wonderful and beautiful people. Welcome back to my kitchen. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I made my Afang soup. If this is your first time of stopping by, a warm welcome to you. Please don't forget to follow this page, like, share, and comment to be notified whenever I upload a new video. To my returning subscribers, a very big thank you. For this recipe, we are going to be needing onions, seasoned cube, palm oil, fresh pepper, crayfish, dry fish, cow skin, snail, but this is optional, cow face, stockfish, smoked mackerel fish, beef, salt to taste. Afang leaf, also known as okazi leaf. I'm using the fresh okazi leaf, already washed thoroughly and clean. I have my fresh water leaf. Next, in a clean pot, I will add in the beef, cow skin, stockfish, cow face, onions, seasoned cubes, some salt to taste. Then cover it up and allow it to cook on its own juice. Because beef contains a lot of water, and allow it to cook for about 15 minutes. So next, I'm going to pick the water leaf, wash it thoroughly, and then slice it. At this point, you can slice it to your desired size. Once that is done, set it aside. Now, I'm going to blend the crayfish and pepper. You can as well as use any quantity of pepper you want, okay? So next, I'm going to be adding in my okazi leaf into the blender and blend. You can also pound, process your okazi leaf. So I'm using blending method, and I will add in little water that will help the blending process. So we are done blending. This was how the okazi leaf looks like. So let's check the meat. This is exactly 15 minutes now. Give it a stir, then add in water. Cover and bring to boil. Once it boils now, I will add everything I needed to add now. I mean all the orishirishis, like the snail, dry fish, smoked mackerel fish, my blended crayfish and pepper, seasoned cubes, palm oil. The reason why I'm adding the palm oil at this stage is because I want to make sure that the raw taste is completely cooked before adding in the vegetable. Give it a good stir. At this point, you can check for salt. Cover and let it cook for like 1 to 2 minutes. 1 minute later, open the pot, give it a stir. Now I went ahead and added in the water leaf. Give it a complete stir, cover and let it cook for like 3 minutes. So let's check the pot. Exactly 3 minutes now. You can also test for salt. If you are satisfied with it, you go ahead and add in your blended okazi leaf. Stir until everything is well combined. Then cover the pot and let it simmer for like 2 minutes. 2 minutes later, give it a stir and turn up the heat. It is ready and can be served with any swallow of your choice. Guys, this soup tasted so super delicious and very healthy. Hope you'll be trying out this recipe. We have come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to follow this page, like, share and comment. See you soon on my next video. Remain blessed. Bye.